This is the secret to making $40 million using one product, a boring 38 minutes long interview video. I broke it down into pieces and it's just two dudes talking to each other. But don't worry guys, I used my handy dandy custom chat GPT and analyzed the whole video and got the step-by-step formula to success. And it's a simple 5-step process. Step number 1 is boring, research. But the first part of step number 4 made me love the whole thing. Alright, after research, step number 2 is set up your online store. And you are free to be angry because whether you make money or not, you need an expensive Shopify account. The next step is creating a marketing funnel that most beginners have no idea of. But don't worry, you're going to get 99% done for you. Stay tuned. Now, before I tell you what I like about step number 4, let me tell you some of the strengths, weaknesses, and threats of this business model. Well, of course, you can start with low initial investment, not free, but low. But the problem is it requires lots of technical knowledge, like store setup. And yes, of course, you can scale your store quickly, but since algorithms are changing consistently and your market can be saturated anytime. So to be honest, this doesn't look like a good business model, especially for beginners. And that's why we don't do all this. We use AI to learn fast, just like we learned about this business in just a couple of minutes. Then we make short videos and we upload our videos to social media. Social media sends free traffic to our 99% done for you AI powered automated sales funnel. This funnel sells for us, and when there is a sale, we make $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And here is what I love in the step number 4. He basically asked to use Facebook and Instagram for initial visibility or traffic. And that's exactly what we do to make 5 figures per week using this 99% done for you system. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.